Imagine if the key to exceptional leadership isn't rooted in your personal traits, but rather in the environment you find yourself in. What if the context, more than the individual, determines the effectiveness of a leader? This idea challenges the traditional notion that leadership is solely about charisma or innate ability. Instead, it suggests that the circumstances surrounding a leader play a pivotal role in their success. Today, we delve into this fascinating concept. Welcome to The Explainer, where we unravel the complexities of leadership through the lens of the contingency theory. This theory posits that the success of a leader is intricately linked to the context in which they operate. Join us as we explore how different environments can shape, enhance, or even hinder a leader's effectiveness. Get ready to uncover the hidden dynamics behind some of history's most successful leaders. Fred Fiedler, a trailblazer in leadership studies, introduced a groundbreaking idea. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to leadership. He argued that the effectiveness of a leader isn't solely based on their style or personality. Instead, it's the alignment between their style and the specific demands of the situation that truly matters. Fiedler's work in the 1960s laid the foundation for understanding how adaptability and context can define leadership success. According to Fiedler's contingency model, leaders must carefully evaluate their environment to determine the most effective approach. This involves assessing three critical factors: leader-member relations, task structure, and position power. Each of these elements can significantly influence how a leader should act in a given situation. By understanding these dynamics, leaders can better tailor their strategies to fit the unique demands they face. Take Winston Churchill as an example. His leadership was legendary during the turmoil of World War II, where his decisive and bold style was perfectly suited to the crisis. However, in peacetime, his approach was less effective, highlighting how context can dramatically alter a leader's success. Churchill's story underscores the importance of aligning leadership style with the prevailing circumstances. Leadership is not a static attribute, but a dynamic interaction with the ever-changing circumstances. Like a chess game, where each move depends on the current configuration of the board, effective leadership requires constant adaptation. This dynamic nature means that leaders must be vigilant and responsive to shifts in their environment to maintain their effectiveness. Grasping the essence of the contingency theory can help leaders avoid the common pitfalls of rigid leadership. By embracing flexibility, leaders can navigate the complexities of different situations more effectively. This adaptability is crucial for overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities that arise in various contexts, ensuring sustained success. So, how can you apply the contingency theory in your own leadership journey? The first step is to thoroughly assess the situation before deciding on a leadership style. By evaluating the context, you can better understand the needs and dynamics at play, allowing you to choose the most effective approach for the circumstances. Next, be prepared to shift your approach as circumstances evolve. The ability to adapt is a hallmark of effective leadership. As new challenges and opportunities emerge, being flexible in your strategy allows you to remain relevant and effective, ensuring that your leadership continues to meet the demands of the moment. Finally, focus on building a team that complements your leadership style and fills in any gaps. By leveraging the diverse strengths of your team members, you can create a more robust and adaptable leadership dynamic. This collective strength ensures that you are well-equipped to handle a variety of situations and challenges. Let's recap the key takeaways from the contingency theory of leadership. First, always assess the situation to understand the context. Second, adapt your leadership style to fit the evolving circumstances. Third, build a complementary team that enhances your leadership capabilities. These steps will help you navigate the complexities of leadership with greater effectiveness. Remember, leadership isn't about being the best in every situation. It's about being the best for the situation at hand. By understanding and applying the principles of the contingency theory, you can enhance your leadership effectiveness. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of leadership, psychology, and strategy.